Now we are in Balam petrol station and I show you what's ongoing in this cash machine here. Yeah.
Shit, man. Shit. Check.
Oh, it's correct.
Take that one. Take that one. Yeah, take it. Throw the bin, man.
Yeah?
Not here. Throw at the bin. Outside.
No. You have to have it. Don't worry. Out. You see? So that's the problem. So what they do is they go out
Yeah.
and then they come back. They do this thing and they
Yeah.
take the money. You
Yeah.
understand?
You got your money?
I get my money. Maybe they will think as if I put this. Come, I'll show you something. Come.
Yeah.
You can stop me. This one was here inside. Look the way they put.
Yeah.
Look the way they put.
Yeah.
Do a video now. Do a video.
Yeah.
So I take the money. I put my card inside.
Yeah.
See, I put my card inside.
Yeah.
You put the money that you want.
Yeah.
So when the money comes out, the money will be blocked there, behind this one.
And
So
this-
you don't see. So you look left and right and you don't know what to do.
Yeah.
So now luckily that guy helped me to give me this screw. So you have to take this one. You have to put this one and take it out.
Yeah.
See? And there is a.
And this
a
is
glue
in
here.
London, man. This is
Do you see? Do you record here? There's
Yeah.
a glue.
Yeah.
This one will be there. If you don't know, luckily,
Yeah.
you see, you will never understand, my friend. Look.
Yeah.
So
And
hard.
sometimes the people thinking their money is not coming and
Yeah,
it's
not
going
coming.
away. Yeah.
And this one, look, it's the other way around. This is the other way.
Yeah.
It's this way.
Yeah.
So it's so hard. So
How,
hard to
how
understand.
much was money you taking out now?
Mine says it's good.
You get it?
I'm good.
Oh,
But
thank. That's
it's very
great.
hard,
man.
my friend. You
How
have to
much you
take
lost
care.
the money?
How much?